Welcome to another episode of Twinning with the Tagwayes. Today with me I have my co-host, my brother, my twin brother, and we have special guests today, Onyinyechi and Chinyere. These are special twins, as I keep telling you, is not our fault that you came alone in this world. But for us, we came together, we always have a company. So here we have another set of people that have their own story that they want to share with us, their experiences growing up and, the difficulties of being twins. Did you experience it?
Yeah, in a unique way.
Okay. Here with me is my twin brother, MC Tagwaye. Anyway, let's forget about it. Onyinyechi, how is it like being a twin? How do you feel like looking at somebody that actually looks like you?
It's overwhelming and sweet, and I love it.
You
It
love
makes me
it?
feel so special. Yeah, I
Oh,
love
wow.
it. I don't feel special.
Ah!
We are special. Yeah, we are really special.
She feels special. You don't feel special.
No, we are special. Feeling is different.
Okay,
Feeling changes.
Okay, feeling is
That
different.
we are special is there. It doesn't change. It
It
doesn't go
doesn't
anywhere.
change.
Yes.
It's permanent
Yes.
that you're special.
Simple.
Well, are we special, my brother? Eh?
It depends on one's definition for being special. Special can reflect in different ways. Special as in what sense are you special? Are you special educationally? Special financially? Special socially?
No, I think Onyinye means being special
As in-
generally.
No,
All aspects.
No, you can't be special in all aspects. There are twins that were born very poor.
Who says you can't be special in all angles?
Nobody is
I don't
special.
want us to start this fight.
No,
Onyinye,
is very clear. You
How?
can't. There is no way you'll be special all round.
you can be special all around depending on how you want to be special.
That's why I said
Do you
being
know
special.
do you know even the poor feel special?
Yes.
It's your own definition of being special. Please, I don't
Being
want to
special
fight with
in a poor way.
you. Please. Onyinyechi,
Sir.
can you actually tell us
Okay.
how growing up as a twin looks like?
Hmm.
I don't want to start with ours.
Growing up as twins, we had a very wonderful experience. We were mischievous.
Wow.
You guys look it.
Okay.
We were. And
Okay.
still, we can't send me on an errand
Mm,
comfortably
okay.
because I will go in and relax.
Mm.
Then, if she happens to come out, only I said to you, she'll tell you, you didn't tell me anything. I will still come out. You will ask me, but I didn't tell me anything.
Mm.
So, you will be the one to go and do that thing yourself because we are coming out separately.
Yeah.
So, you don't know who you're meeting.
Wonderful. This
If
is
till
shocking.
now, our
Mm.
mom, we have the same voice. Our mom, if we are seated, she can tell the difference. But our dad, no. We can commit crimes comfortably and swap the crimes.
It's just like I can remember if my dad want to send us an errand, then he will call my name, but I'm not close. He is close. Then he will not answer because he knows if he admits I'm not around, he will go for the errand. So he doesn't answer. So my dad will say, "Who is there?" He will say, "It's not the person you're calling now." He will say, "Even if it's not the person, whoever I call, answer." So it's wonderful. It's just
So,
um,
sorry to cut in. If your mom was able to identify you guys, she is able to tell who is who.
Yes.
But why do you think your father was not able to do that?
It is this thing. It I can say is something with mothers. Yes, it's something with mothers. It's just there. The instincts are there. Dads, even the dads, even if they are always around, he can't. He doesn't tell us apart. But I might be in the kitchen. Yeah. Maybe she comes in, but my mom is not aware that she came in. If my mom, maybe she talks. My mom will be like, "Onye chibia." So, but if she steps out and now look, oh, Chinyere bia, you know. So that is the thing.
So what makes you think, or what could be the is there any reason behind her sense of recognition, either by your voice or by your appearance?
She's slightly bigger than me,
Mm-hmm.
so that's the difference.
Mm-hmm.
she's likely
Slightly
okay.
bigger than me, which is seasonal.
Oh, really?
It's seasonal. Maybe this month
Yeah.
she's bigger than me.
Let's not talk of it.
No, okay, but then no, we have to talk about
No,
it.
no. I don't want to talk about it.
Let's talk about it, because I think what you're saying is actually true. From my own personal research,
Okay.
I think I can categorically say there, even psychologically, I studied psychology in school.
Okay.
So psychology will tell you there are no two individuals that are the same, even twins. So now, when I took some research like that, I realized that there are no twins that are the same. It's either one is slightly bigger than the other, and the other one is slightly slimmer or taller than the other. You understand?
Yeah.
So, but except you stay very close with them, that is when you understand who is who.
Yeah.
So, but in your case, you are able to identify, okay, sometimes she is bigger than you are, though it is monthly.
Seasonal. It's
Okay,
seasonal.
maybe
It just
seasonal.
happens.
Is it monthly, weekly,
No, it's not monthly.
or daily?
Like maybe you might run into her,
Okay.
and because she put on some weight, you will call her Onyi.
Mhm.
Because you know that normally I'm bigger than her.
Mhm.
Then maybe I went through stress.
Mhm.
Maybe some period.
Mhm.
If you see me that I slimmed down, you refer to me as Chinyere.
Okay, so yours changes in a way,
Yes.
but ours is permanent.
You see, it will not be nice that at this set we start to fight over, so I don't
You know,
want us
ours is permanent, but that is to prove psychology that it is actually true.
If I want to slim down, I will slim down.
Yeah.
Calm
You
down.
cannot.
Ah,
You cannot.
I think you can.
It is natural.
Can you imagine?
It is natural. No, so there is no amount of you can only reduce, but it will not reflect like you know when somebody loses weight in a way.
Yeah.
When you see the person, you will understand. All right. But one thing with weight loss is consistency.
Yeah.
If you start, you have to keep up. You don't do it as if is something you do when you like or when you want. You understand?
Yeah.
So that is why I said his own weight is permanent, because this is what the Lord has done. So you see it from that angle, that okay, his weight has actually come to stay. Yeah.
I don't believe. I don't.
So if you people have any idea or solution to your seasonal weight increase and weight loss, please,
you should share.
you can share.
Well, the issue is.
But
that,
anyway, you have mentioned already, so you need to be stressed.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
You don't need
But
to- I noticed that you've been visiting the gym. But
Yeah.
What do you normally go to the gym?
We went to
Who?
ask you that.
You.
Yeah, to keep fit.
I don't understand. Because most times.
You okay? Going to the gym does not necessarily mean you are going to lose.
But you'll be distracting
Wait.
him now. He's not needs to be there. You still need to be there.
No, I'm there for him.
You know, the issue is this, Igbo people said, Iyaboge, Ulamus.
You choose one.
Mm.
And another one said,
No, I think you should be interpreting for the viewers. Mm.
Which means you can't be shorter than me and still be taller than me. You will choose one.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. So I'm bigger than you. Accept it.
Mm.
It's your fate.
By size.
It's your fate. You don't have to drag it. All right? You don't have to drag it. At least when breeze blows, I stand. But there are people that are holding something firm so that breeze will not carry them. Do you understand?
No, so this is why you need. This is why you gym. One to
have stamina.
To have stamina.
Okay.
All right.
In case of
secondly, to be very healthy.
Is it in case of breeze?
It depends the kind of breeze. Because I've not seen the kind of breeze that will actually. Why will I even wait for such breeze?
Okay.
Onyechi, you and Chinwe, you people usually have misunderstandings.
Yes.
A lot. Do you fight?
No, we don't fight.
Not physically.
Quarrel.
Yeah.
Like, exchanging words.
Yes.
But you don't go physical.
Yes.
You have never.
No. Shut up.
Well.
You see? Growing up, we fought. We fought so much that this girl.
Mm-hmm.
Let me shut up. This girl, she didn't have respect
For
Go-
you.
Then while you were growing up.
Yeah. She don't have
She always
respect
drag
for
everything.
constituted authority.
At some point, and our parents, they didn't tell us who came out first.
Up
so
till
it
now.
was, no, then. So
Okay.
one day, she so much got me angry that I had to go and confront my parents. I told them, you people must tell us who came out first today. So that
there will
everybody
be
will just
respect
stay.
for
Yes.
an
It doesn't make any
elderly,
difference.
you
Yes.
know,
It
yes.
doesn't. So my dad now said, Chinyere. Sorry, okay, can I speak?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Chinyere, in Akanya too much. She's your Adani.
Wow.
So
wow.
my dad said,
Wow.
no. That's what she had, but that's not what he said. Yes.
That's what she had.
But that's not what my dad said.
Was it recorded?
No.
Well, anyway, I think that means you people have fought several
Growing up, we fought so much.
growing up.
When last did you fight? Your physical fight. When last was that?
Primary 5. No, I'm talking about 5. Primary 5, you get to my 5. I want primary 4. So
I will remind you.
Okay.
During our graduation, we fought. And I won. That's why she didn't mention it.
So at what point did you decide, okay, let's call it quit?
We were separated. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, separated how?
After our primary education,
Mm-hmm.
secondary, we didn't go to the same secondary school.
Oh, wow.
But it's in the same town. But so in fact, she had to go and live with my aunt. So I stayed with my parents. But in all that, we still sought each other. I visit her school, she comes to mine, I visit my uncle. The condition was there, but the difference is that we weren't sleeping in the same house.
Yeah. Well, so which means you people have fought more than one time.
Yes, we fought
Right?
more than one. Yes.
But ours,
Oh.
we fought just once. And that once, up to now, we're looking for who to take the belt. He just, I don't know whether he remember or he knows, of course. There was a day, ours has always been in Hausa, all the time we insult ourselves. So one day, and my mom, she despised. No, she despised insults because those insults are referring to Ubanka means your papa. You see, it's referring to your dad. Uwaka is referring to your mom. So those insults are referring to them as parents, and she doesn't like it. But due to the environment we grew up, any Northerner will tell you insult is maybe part of a Kasana person's tradition. So we keep doing this. One day, my mom locked the gate, and said today that it will exceed only insult, that we must fight. Okay. We kept fighting, and we hit him on the floor, he hit me on the floor. We keep doing it. It got to a point we couldn't fight anymore. He will push me, I will push him. Though I still have more strength in me anyway. Obviously. So when my dad realized that this is going out of hand, he intervened and told my mother, please stop the fight. It's okay. They will not do it again. But he's so lucky my dad killed me. He's so lucky because I have folded my hand to give him the final blow.
Thank God he didn't. Thank God. We're not saying anything. He's just going on. They just quite like, is it true?
You know why? If you're an intelligent lawyer, what you do is you listen, so that you will get facts. Apart from getting facts, you also get the wrong statements that you will know how to put straight.
Okay.
So yeah, there was a day my mom insisted that we will fight. And we began the fight. And I was hitting him on the ground, like severally.
Okay.
But even while fighting, I looked at the countenance of my parents. I realized they were not happy. Now, even while fighting, I could read their countenance. Why are you doing this to your brother? Do you understand? Why are you doing this to your brother? Because at some point, if we are fighting, he is my father's favorite. If we are fighting, my father will be tilting towards my own direction. Let him hit me on the ground. And I used to see it.
Hey!
Do you understand?
Okay.
So when I now noticed that it's becoming too much, I allowed him take me on the ground. But I was quiet when you were talking.
You understand?
When
he's a comedian.
When you were talking,
if I allowed him
if
to
you
tell this story, he will not tell it this way.
What I am saying is nothing but the truth. Nothing. When that happened,
should I call our mom?
Are you listening?
Yeah.
When that happened, I allowed him hit me on the ground.
Can you
So
see?
you allowed him?
Yes, I did deliberately for the first time. Do you understand? Now, but you could hear my father when he was trying to tilt towards my own direction that I should fall. And I didn't at that point. He did. The next thing you hear my father will say is, Gunya, no, okay. He was telling him, stand up, you are a man. So it was at that point, after that fight, we didn't fight again. Alright? After that fight, we didn't fight again. So, and I don't want us to discuss this fight again.
No,
alright?
We'll discuss this fight again.
There is something I want us to talk about.
The truth.
There is nothing like the truth.
No.
How can you be hitting him on the fly?
That is the truth.
That he allowed me to hit him once.
Because I know vividly what happened.
Lie, Mohammed. Sorry. Lie, you are a liar.
I know what happened.
Okay, you know.
Yes.
How?
Because, one thing with me is that I have a very retentive memory. What happened to me, even at the age of 6, I can recall.
And he doesn't have
I wouldn't know. It's his own memory.
The way I
Not
told
mine.
you the story is how it happened. ask him the part. Was there a part where he could not push me? I could not push him.
No,
No,
it got
no,
to
no,
that
no, no.
extent
Did it
because
happen?
we were both tired.
Exactly.
Beating each other.
We were fighting. You understand?
Beating
It
each
got
other
to a
or-
point where we were both tired,
Mhm,
right? He got that place correct. But what I just told you is actually what happened.
You beat him up more than he did to you. Then
Of
also
course.
allowed him
What
to
will
beat
happen
you.
is
Yes, deliberately.
Today is more like we're in a court. The next time we'll come with evidence. You know, so today we came without evidence.
Okay.
Anyway,
So I will come with proofs.
Okay.
How it happened.
Okay.
So that we will know who actually begged each other.
no. So while doing it, make sure you come with trailer of evidence, just like Labour did.
Eh?
Mm.
Trailer of what?
A trailer of evidence.
Anyway, next time there will be full evidence to this fight.
So there is something I want to talk about. There is this general notion that twins are spiritual. There's this notion that twins have one kind of spiritual display. If you get them angry, they can do one thing or the other, and then something will happen, either bad thing or something. If they are happy, they can do something that will become, a good omen for you or something. Is it something you've experienced? Is it something that is peculiar with you too?
Yes. Yeah.
How?
There was a time my dad was going through difficult times. One day he came back and asked my mom if he were around. She said yes. He said to her, call my twin for me. He came, he knelt down and prayed and instructed us to pray for him. As kids, we did not understand. We did pray. Just kids prayers, or serious prayers. We prayed, but the earnest in our hearts, like our dad said, we should pray for him. We did, and things changed. Things changed.
For good or for
Not
bad?
for good, for better, for good. Yeah, and up to today, my dad refers to that prayer. Yes.
So was that the only experience?
Other experiences are, there was a time when I was staying with my uncle. I was sick for a very long time. I've taken medication, I've gone to the hospital, series of tests, but I wasn't getting any better. My uncle was scared. He brought me back to my parents' house. I was shaking, I was shaking. I told my dad, please, brother, take her to the hospital. Do whatever it is. Pray for her, whatever it is you can. Because he's tired and he's scared. Then my sister was sleeping inside. What my mom did, she carried me next. Yeah, she kept me next to my sister. Immediately, and that was it. My body came in contact with her. That was it. Heat. The heat that overtook my body. I couldn't explain. And I started waking her up for us to play around after 9 p.m. Yeah. I was waking her up.
No, stop it.
She's up already.
I woke her up. She saw me. We started playing. If my uncle mistakenly, maybe that he forgot something and came back to that house, he won't be happy. He'll be confused.
Or feel you were pretending?
Yeah. My mom and my dad, they were surprised, shocked, and speechless. That was it. We played till around 1 in the morning before we fell asleep. And that was it.
That's shocking.
Yeah.
So, okay, so after that incident, there was no any other experience of such?
One thing I've noticed, whenever I kind of have a scar or a wound, whatever, give us 1
to 6 months, the same thing will happen to me. At the same spot. Same thing will happen. Yeah.
Does the same happen with your bank account?
And we fall asleep, we fall sick
Mhm.
the same time, and get better at the same time. Even as we are
It
different
still
locations,
happens now?
Up till now. I called her to tell her that I'm sick. I had to tell me story. I told her I'm
She
sick.
told
Me that she's taking her own medication. We are like, okay. It happens. It happens. It always happens.
Okay. So, was there any point in time when you got angry or got mad at someone or an event, and then you made some sort of utterances or made some sort of, maybe, so to say, careless statements or something, and then it took effect?
Okay. It happens. We get angry. People provoke us, separately, jointly. We spill out our anger. But what happens, the aftermath, I don't know. But I don't live with the person. I don't know if what I said came to pass or something. Because no matter how angry you are and you make an utterance, it doesn't happen instantly. But if it's that it has someone made me angry, made us angry, and we spill it out, especially all these extended families, they can be very wicked and all that.
But it's not like maybe when you say those things, it will happen like, cuckoo. It doesn't happen that way.
No. In my own case, what happened a certain time was there was one stupid boy, a bully in a primary school there. He was the strongest in our class. He will beat you, he will take your snacks, he will do anything to you. And then he was the class prefect. He will write your name on the noisemakers list, whether you make that noise or not. If you talk, he will beat you after school. One day, I wasn't feeling too well. I went to school. So I went to her desk. She was kind of...
That's primary school.
Yeah, primary. I was holding me and all that. This boy took my snacks. I didn't know. When I returned to my desk, I started looking for my snacks. And I don't know who took their snacks. And I needed to take the pills my mom put in my school bag. I wasn't happy. And if I go home with those pills, my mom will be like, I gave you drugs, you didn't take it. Maybe I don't want to get better. Meeting will follow. After school, this guy said to me, Chichi, I leave for a biscuit. I took it. I took him. Osita. Yeah, Osita. Osita, please. If you have that biscuit, give it to me. I need to take my drugs. He was so careless and nonchalant. He has already eaten that biscuit then. He said to me, I won't do anything. And I know if I neared him and he as much as touched me, I would faint there because I wasn't really feeling fine. I told him, Osita, somebody bigger than you will beat you. And the person will beat you in this our school. So much. And all of us will laugh at you. Yes. We went home. Luckily, my mom didn't beat me. I ate very well and I took my medication. The next time, our seniors, secondary school, I don't know what he did to that guy, but he didn't do anything. Okay. He didn't do anything. The guy just picked him up and dealt with him. The beating, I pitied him. He tore his knicker, flogged him, beat him, and sent him to go and wash our school toilets. Yes.
So you think that was actually coming from the course you laid on him?
But he felt invisible in our primary section, and he was bigger. Yeah, he felt invisible. So our seniors took care of him, and I loved that. Yeah.
Wow, that was lovely. Yeah. For MNK.
No, Osta.
So is it Osita? Okay, MNK. So it takes MNK to deal with Osita. All right.
Well, It's actually fun having you guys around,
Yeah.
and our clock is ticking that we need to bring the podcast to an end. Even though when I'm sure you feel that this should continue as well.
Well, it's actually an interesting conversation.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching Twinning with the Tagwayes, and please subscribe to White Pearl Network Studios on YouTube, and follow us as well on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you. Till we meet again.